My son is an energetic, outgoing, heartwarming person. He has been golfing since he was 7, and that's just his dream. He's going to be a professional golf player one day. When I found out that my son had a sickle cell, it was a traumatic experience, but the most important thing to me that was on my mind was finding exceptional care. When he was younger, in the beginning, it was a little hard to let him do kind of sports and things because we didn't know exactly how his body would react and respond.
There are some children who have frequent complications, and there are other children who live with sickle cell disease and have very good quality of life. And I think that sometimes the unknown of what that might bring is probably one of the most significant hurdles.
My husband has had jobs that have relocated us. We were moving back to the Northwest Indiana area. And I was just like, okay, I can take that drive an hour to Chicago or 2 hours to Indy. And in the process, I happened to look and found Beacon. I was kind of hesitant on giving them a try. I called and was like, this is what I'm looking for. I need the program to have staff on hand. I need them to be able to, if I have an emergency, to get him there. I need you to be able to directly treat him and not send me to some other place. They assured me that they could do all those things.
We tell our parents, we are going to be here for you, but there's going to be things that you're going to have to put in place.
And we teach them how to monitor for complications. It's like they're getting a crash course in medical care. There are definite hurdles to just managing those things as a parent. We tell them to call 24/7, 365. There are no silly questions.
Anywhere I go, I tell people, you will get the best care here. People here care about you. And we do. We care.
When I gave them a chance, I can remember that first appointment that we went to. We walked in, they knew who we were, knew our names, and really welcomed my son, myself, and my family in. Everybody is friendly. All the staff there has been amazing. Anytime I had questions, they made sure that they were able to answer the questions. They did them in a very timely manner. Beacon and their staff was very helpful in helping us get the social workers and the different programs that were needed to come out and talk to the staff at the school, making sure they understood all the requirements that they needed. Beacon has been a tremendous partner in helping us achieve what we needed to achieve for my son.
It's very important that we have this sickle cell program in this area. We are in schools, we're at health fairs, we are in the grocery stores, we are everywhere.
Sometimes when our patients are in crisis, it's an issue of, I need to get help right away. It's a matter of life and death. That care close to home is so vital.
I can remember we had an incident where they called me at work and they said he has a fever of 104. I called Beacon and I said, we're on our way, he has 104 fever. And she said, I need you to slow down. And I was like, what? She said, don't rush to get here, we will be here. And as soon as I got to Beacon, they immediately started pumping the medicine in him that he needed. They're all working on them, and I can remember the nurse turned around and looked at me and she said, Mom, are you okay? And in that moment, I just broke down because I realized I got him where he needed to be. He was being taken care of, and he was gonna be okay. Just knowing in that moment, despite everything that was going on, she managed to stop and realize that I was about to fall apart.
A lot of times, people have lost hope. But when they come here, we give them hope. There is a change. We can do something for your child. You can get some rest. We're gonna make a difference in your home.
As we say in our families, he has sickle cell disease, but sickle cell doesn't have him. We keep him going, and Beacon has been a great partner in helping us keep that motto.